Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volkswagen Touareg 3.0 TDI V6 BlueMotion Tech R-Line Tiptronic 4-wheel drive, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in pure white. To start off with, then you have your bi-xenon headlamps, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch Tarragona alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the pure white exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Titan black Nappa leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your buttons to control your information panel, volume controls and hands-free options, and you also have your cruise control, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 76,685 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey, including in this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations, along with front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvring and reversing into those difficult parking situations so much easier than before. For the driver, you also have a heated steering wheel, and as well as this you also have your dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.